Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down fix in Windows 10. First method is, type services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Select and open Windows Update. Click Stop. Click OK. Open File Explorer. Open C Drive, Windows. Open Software Distribution folder. Select all folder and delete. Open Services. Open Windows Update. Change startup type to automatic and start the service. Click Apply, OK. Now try to check Windows Update. Click Settings. Click Check for updates. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. Type dism.exe, space, /online space, /cleanup, -image. /scan health. Type dism.exe, space, /online space, /cleanup, -image, /restore health. Type exit from command prompt. Restart computer. Now try to check Windows Update. Click Settings. Click Check for updates. Third method is, click Start Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update. Click Run the troubleshooter. Now try to update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.